Omukoro gwo kurekura abakongo hamwe no kubakwasa ebintu byabo gukorerwa mu katwe k'abatoro town council omu district ya Kasese.
People were arrested on waters. They crossed the border, so it was a illegal entry to our side, and they were found again going into the breeding zone. So we thought it was that we should invite our colleagues in DRC to come and we share as usual, and then we sort of it and we caution them.
Lieutenant Laubendifula omugambirizi wa Fish Protection Unit nagira ngu ihanga lya DR Congo baremerwa kuteberagira mu nkora.
Like Uganda, we have laws that governs fishing activities or fishing, but on that side of Congo also they have their laws, whereby here you will find that monofilament, boat seines, those nets are not allowed, but Congolese side they are using them.
Robina Mirembe umuhezi wa RDC wa district ya Rubirizi nagira ngo abo bona barukwejumbira mu tege by'inyanjo mu bihenda biragiro ni babana bafereza Uganda entasya.
We get income from fishing, but when you see people fishing in a bad way, we have been having people who are fishing with the bad timber, you know timber, with the bad timber, not recommended. And those who fish those small fish make our country lose.
Naishe fechitushuka konyo ngabavuye ba Uganda. Kuraba abamaje bafe ba Uganda bwe bakora umurimo gwabo murungi okuziza abakongo kuyingira mu mazi gafe nababebe nyanja byafe. Ate bali aberi Congo no bajja ate mu mazi gafe okukwata abantu bafe ngabakora revenge.
Lieutenant Kanojin Songo orukujunanaza ubwaha by'ubushoho mu ihanga lya Congo nagira ngo baresera abanya-Uganda bana hamwe na za engine 16 babire bakwasira abanya-Uganda.
Engine ambazo zimekamatwa kwa patrol ya Congo za Waganda ziko 16 ambazo zote tumekuja nazo hapa 16 kwa ujumla.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.